Good morning, fun and all. Today, I would like to present PPT on use of R Studio and R programming uh, for statistical computing. Okay, so I would like to share PPT with all of you. So mainly nowadays we have used different statistical software tools like R software, Python, SPSS, SAS, and so on. So each and every software it is useful for data scientist position, data science position, for data analyst position in a different company sector. Okay, so today. I want to present on R software. Okay, so R it is very useful for project making, for analysis perspective, and also it is useful for education and company sector as well. So, what is meant by R software? So, mainly R software is an open source programming language uh, and software environment for statistical computing and graphics. So R language is widely used among statisticians and data scientists for developing statistical software and data analytics tool. Also, R Shiny, R Plotly are very useful statistical uh, uh, useful to making live project data visualization. So this is the library within inbuilt in R software and R Studio. Okay, so next, so mainly the here would like to introduce the history of R here. So it is developed after S and S plus developed at AT and T labs in 1980s. After that, our project was started by Robert Gentleman and Ross E. Acker, Department of Statistics, University of Auckland in 1995. Now currently maintained by our core development team, an international team of volunteer developed since in 1997 onward. Okay. So how to download R and R Studio? So firstly, you can go in Google Chrome or Internet Explorer, then just type download R and R Studio. So you will get the different uh, website pages. So in which you can check it just http crn.r-project.org has been, and also you can download R Studio by using www.rstudio.com. Okay, for desktop perspective. So next, after that, once we will get the download page, so you can install R Studio once. So you can go to the www.rstudio.com and click on the download R Studio button. After that, click on download R Studio desktop. Then click on the version recommended for your system or the latest Windows version and save the executable file. So run the .execute file and follow the installation instruction. Okay. So next there is a different version of R Studio. So you can check it, get R version, R dot version in command. So you will get the current version which you have downloaded it. Similarly, you can check for R Studio version as well. So initially, once you have opened the R R software, then you will get R console. So in which you can check it your any help dot start bracket help dot topic, just question mark topic, double question mark topic. So you will get any help from R console. So here it is a R Studio environment. In which four corners are there, four different. So in which you get console, then environment history, and you can check the files, plots, packages in below right corner. Okay, so this is the instruction. So you can download your data excel file from database. Just click here, then you will get the, you can give the path, so you will collect the data from this side. Then consolidate is the analysis, and you can just write untitled, so you can just write it and then run it, so we'll get in a answer in a R console. Okay, so how to use R for simple math? So just you can type any number, two number, so you will get you addition. If you can just subtract two numbers, two or more than two numbers, not an issue. So you will get analysis in R console. So similarly, you can multiplication, you can division, square root, factorial, and so on. So how to store result of calculation for future user, future use. So here you can name any x equals to, here we have considered 7 plus 10. Okay, after that just click x. So our console is store this x equals to 17, means addition of these two numbers. Similarly, you can check y equals to 20 plus 53 divided by 2. So we'll get y. Then you can add it the two variable x plus y. You can subtract it, x plus x minus y, multiply and division, and so on. So this is the type our console can store the result. So yeah, using C command. So suppose we want to check or you want to numerical data, from the numerical data, then just data in you name data 1, data 5, whatever, equals to C bracket whatever numbers are there, numerical numbers you can put here, and then we will get the data one file will be ready to analysis purpose. After that you can check summary and bracket, you can just type data one, so you will get all the statistical analysis from mean, mode, median, like maximum number, minimum number, and so on, range, so you will get from summary. Similarly, you can type data one dot text, so you can see bracket, double column, one, use, where's, and so on. So you will get text data. Okay. Similarly, you can add another day as well in next data type. So scan command for making data. So you can type data 3 equals to scan whatever data separated by space. Okay. So similarly, you will get it is useful scan command as well. Okay. So here different scan commands are there. Scan what equals to character, and then we'll denote it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 1, 2, 3, 5, and so on, and then we will make a scan command. So concept of working directory. So suppose once we have work in R, then we don't know where is your file is saved, where is your graphs are saved. So that's you want to check by using get wd, getwd bracket. Once you will type in R console and you can run it, so R will be showing where is your file is stored. Okay, so in this using, so we will get directory of a file. Similarly, set wd, so you can uh, save working directory, so by using this command, so you can give path, suppose D is column that data analytics project dash database, whatever file name you are, so you can give here, so you will get save your file in a by using set wd. Okay. Similarly, you can check dir, so working directory listening, ls workspace listing of object, rm object, remove an element of object if it exists, and similarly you can cleaning. Okay, so after that, reading data from data file. So how to read it? It is similarly get wd and get wd you can use it. After that, assessing element from a file. So suppose we upload, so we have export any file, sorry, import any file in a r. uh, After that, you can check whatever file name, suppose here data file name, you can data $x 5.1, so we will get all these number of that column. Okay, similarly you can check it. So in R, so here different data items are involved, in which vector, matrix, data frame, list. So one by one we will discuss on it. So first one, vectors in R. So let's take any variable x equals to c bracket, whatever number you can put here, then you can enter it. So x will be stored here. Okay, so after that, uh, you can check its mean of x. So we'll get mean. Suppose here I have given another example, like in x we have used the c, comma c bracket 30 20 10, and another number is not available here. Then suppose we have to find mean of x. So answer, it is not available since we are not here. So in next step we will discuss on this mean bracket x comma rm dot na equals to t. Okay, then we will get the mean of x variable. Similarly, uh, if you have in a data frame null, so x equals to c and 330 comma 10 null comma 20, then mean of x we will get. Okay, so similarly, matrices in R. So you can give the matrix any name, and matrix vector n row, number of rows what you want. So R, then number of n equal n column equals to c, comma by row equals to false. So we'll make a matrix. Okay, suppose here any one variable y, and matrix 1 to 40 we have required, in number of rows we have required 5, and number of column we have required 4. Then we will make the uh, y is your matrix, uh, 5 by 4 will get this matrix. Similarly, you can find column wise as well. So more on matrices in our dimension, number of rows we have to check it, number of column we have to check it. Okay, then matrix multiplication we have to find it, and transpose of matrix we will make it. So here list in R, so different list are there. Okay, so you can check x equals to list, name equals to Arun Patel, nationality, height, and marks, so on. Then you can check names x, so you will get x dollar name, so you will get the details of uh, x variable within included names. Also, we have to make the data frame in R software. uh, so just you can name variable, different variable, xyz whatever, and you can make uh, data frame by using this variable, just data frame d comma e comma f. So def is variable, so you can put your variable and you will get data frames. Okay, so different factors are there. So functions, you can check the function side in R. Okay, so thank you. So this is a very good information to handle R software for student as well as for company employee and so on. Okay. So thank you very much.